Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to complete lowercase letters. So let's start. Let's continue with the fingertip letters, which we are going to start with a round top curve. So let's see how we are going to make round top curve. Make a slant line upward from the baseline towards the second line. Go around the top and then down. Now let's start fingertip letters. Letter N, M, V, X, Y and letter Z. Continue with the first letter, letter N. Letter N has two fingertips. Starting from the baseline, make one fingertip, go around the top and down. Now make another fingertip by tracing the same line, go around to the top and down, finish it with a finishing curve like this. It's so simple. Now again make a fingertip curve like this, trace it again, go around to the top, now down, finish it with a finishing curve like this again, like this. Letter N has two fingertips, first and second. Now join it, make a fingertip curve down to the baseline, then again trace it, go around the top, take it down to the baseline, then finish it with a finishing curve. Start from here, make a fingertip curve again like this. Now make a fingertip curve again like this, extend it and again make a fingertip curve like this and finish it with a finishing curve. Next letter is letter M. Starting from the baseline, make a fingertip curve, go around the top and down to the baseline, then again trace it, go around to the top, then down to the baseline, again make a fingertip curve like this and finish it with a finishing curve. Here we'll get 1, 2, 3 fingertip curves. For joining, make a fingertip curve like this, baseline को touch करते हुए make another fingertip curve and one more, you will get M. Finish it with a finishing curve. Finishing curve को extend करते हुए आगे लेके जाओ second line तक, then down. हमें एक और फिंगर टिप कर्व मिल गया. देन मेक second fingertip curve and third fingertip curve. Finish it with a finishing curve. You will get another M. Now join it by extending it towards the second line. Now make a fingertip curve. Then again fingertip curve and again fingertip curve. Finish it with a finishing curve. You will get M. हमें यहाँ पे 3 M को ज्वाइन कर दिया है. Letter V, starting from the base line, this is third line. Make a round top curve, take it down towards the third line. Now make another curve like this and finish it with a loop. You will get letter V. Starting from the base line, make a fingertip curve. Now make a curve, take it to the second line, make a loop and loop को second line पे finish करना है. You will get letter V. For joining, make a fingertip curve जिसे हम राउंड टॉप कर्व भी कहते हैं. यहाँ से मेक अनदर कर्व, फिनिश इट विद अ लूप. इसे हम हाई लूप कहते हैं क्योंकि ये ऊपर सेकेंड लाइन को फिनिश कर रहा है, टच हो रहा है यहाँ पे. अब हमें नीचे यहाँ से नेक्स्ट लेटर बनाना है V, like this, like this, like this. Next letter is letter Y. Now let's check the formation of letter Y. Make a round top curve like this. Make another curve, take it to the second line. Now retrace it down towards the fourth line. Make a thin loop, cut it at writing line and take it to the second line. You will get letter Y. Again make a round top curve, make a curve again, take it to the second line, then retrace it down, take it to the fourth line, then make a thin loop, cut it at writing line, finish it at the second line. Make a round top curve like this, make another curve, take it to the second line, then retrace it down, take it to the fourth line, make a thin loop, cut it at writing line, take it to the second line. एक Y लेटर कंप्लीट हो गया. देन अब ये जो हमारा Y लेटर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ है, ये हमने एक्सटेंड किया हुआ है सेकेंड लाइन तक ताकि हम दूसरा लेटर इसके साथ ज्वाइन ईजीली ज्वाइन कर ले. देन यहाँ से हमें Y लेटर यूँ कंप्लीट करना है एंड thin loop, cut it at the writing line, take it to the second line, then again make a letter Y like this, take it to the second line, again make a letter Y like this, take it to the second line. For letter X, make a round top curve like this. Now take it towards the left. एक curve बनाना है like this. Now turn back. अब हमें letter C बनाना है. C बनाते हुए हमें इसको आगे नहीं लेके जाना है बल्कि इसको trace करते हुए letter C बनाना है. Then come back Finish it on the second line. You will get letter X. Now check it once again. Make a fingertip curve, then move it towards the left, then come back and make letter C like this. Finish it on second line. Now check how we will join letter X. Then ये जो हमने लेटर X यहाँ तक सेकेंड लाइन पे एक्सटेंड किया था, दैट इज़ फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. ये हमें हेल्प करता है ज्वाइनिंग के लिए, एक ब्रिज बना देता है ताकि हम नेक्स्ट लेटर इसके साथ ज्वाइन कर सकें. लाइक दिस. अगेन like this, again like this. For letter Z, start with a fingertip curve, take it to the writing line, baseline, then make a half circle, trace it and make a half circle towards the fourth line. Make a loop, cross it at writing line, then extend it towards the second line. You will get letter Z. Check it once again. Make a fingertip curve, take it to the third line, move it towards the left, then make a half circle, make a loop, from there cut it on the writing line and extend it towards the second line. For joining, make a fingertip curve, take it to the writing line, move it towards the left, then make a half circle towards the fourth line, make a loop, cross it at the base line and extend it towards the second line. You will get Z. Then start another Z from the extending line, don't break it, then make a half circle, loop, cut it on the baseline, then extend it towards the second line, then again next Z, extend it, then Z and extend it towards the second line.